Hi everyone, welcome back to Drone Service Solutions. I'm Gary Harrison, and today we've got something really exciting to unbox for you. It's the Trion V1t RTK base station from FJ Dynamics. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here we have it. Starts with a beautiful flight case. Just two really sturdy clips here. Let's put this back down. Very sturdy. Oh, and here we go. So, first off, packing list. Looks like everything's here. You can see a very clean, comprehensive packing list. The box, beautiful, spaces to fit everything. It's got, you probably can't see, but aerial, mounting pole, the receiver itself. Just take it out of its protective wrapping. And here we are, first sight of the beautiful FJD V1t GNSS receiver. See, it's got a connecting hole for the aerial. Got aerials on this side. And USB-C connector. Power on off button and the 4 indicator lights. Yeah. With that, we've got a really good mounting pole to mount it on top of the tripod. Essential piece of kit, the aerial, for use as an RTK base station. And then a number of adapters. UK plug, international, American plug, and the USB-C cable. And an adapter for mounting it to different sizes. In addition to that, we have the controller. That's a really nice size handheld controller for the RTK. We'll show you more of that later. Also in here, there's another USB cable. Power supply for recharging. International connector, and a couple of other international connectors as well, including, most important for me, the UK. And there you have it, the beautiful V1t RTK base station from FJ Dynamics. Stay tuned for next time, where we'll put all this kit together, set it up, and get it ready to go out in the field. In the meantime, please hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see all the future updates from Drone Service Solutions. Thanks for watching.